everybody, welcome back to another my Roblox, and hold on, something is going on. Sorry about that, guys. What is going on? Okay, finally. Think then that they're playing is disappearing platforms or spinning platforms. It's easier to just swap. It can really scare you sometimes. How did Pika Thunder? He just joined the game. Like, there's not a lot of people playing this game, actually. So that's good. It'll make it easier for me to win. So after this episode, I'll play a little bit more. So at least 4,000. So yeah. So next episode I can get a pet, right? Or at least something close to that. So there should just ignore that. Sphere shields. Finally get to play sphere shields. Don't play minefield. You want to cross the field when bombs are getting thrown at you. See those little red platforms? Those are like little bombs that just place on the ground. Sphere shield is really hard. I lose on like the first or second turn. It's like musical chairs. Alright, so let's go get the shield. Yeah, see? Lose on the first turn. Go get that one. See? First turn.
What?
Just ignore that. She's taking a shot. Well, this is creepy sign. Okay. So, if I need, just so you know, guys, and that guy just like Chase. Just about, right? But the real thing is, it's not. Games for shells. Alright. That's cute. I wanted to show you something. Really cute that I saw. Guess how much money that is? It's a little baby. Oh my god, where did he go? Did you guys see that man floating, or is it? Am I having a seizure? An illusion? Like, I'm having a fever. I can't really do it in Roblox. It's really hard. Oh, it's another thing. Oh, I just missed that.
What?
Sorry. That's just my mom.
What? Jeez.
I know.
I know, you have to come on.
Sorry. But, Look at this. Look at this. Cute little grizzly bear. So as you guys know, we're saving for the killer whale, I believe. Simon says, because in the last episode or something, I think I was it sometime around, but it's really fun being it. freeze tag. Hopefully I'm a snowman. Snowman. Oh. To run away. I have a glitch. People. Thank you. And the rock. Oh, jeez. That's a cute little fairy you got. If I get tagged, someone better get me, get me, get me. Oh, snowmen can't jump very high. So why not? Finish me. Oh, my glitch. I hate it. I hate how when you do a YouTube video, you have a glitch. Guess what? Oh, please. I'm help. No. Come get me. Someone. Some wolf. Gotta wake up and then it's wrong. Just get ready for work. I'm obviously gonna survive. Boom! I'm playing in first place. Not even close twice. I was a tie in like 5th. Oh, jeez. We have a fist of a grizzly. It's so cute, but I just noticed it has a really big unibrow. Hey, he's really good. I want to have him on one of my videos if I can find him. Someone remember the number for me. Hey, 12342. Okay, I'll try to remember that because I want him to be on one of my YouTube videos. Oh my God, lava chambers! No one come with me. No one, please. Please no one come with me. Please no one. I can't even. My glitch is so bad. I can't even get into a chamber. That looks like that's it for today, guys. Leave a like, check out Jesus' channel, and have a nice day.